Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw an apple, so let's get started. First, draw an oval shape here. And then a slightly curved down line. And again. Draw the line. And now draw the leaf. Slowly. With details inside. Now we will draw the apple shape. Start from here slowly. Downwards. And again outwards. To complete a circle. Complete it here. Draw the eyes. 2 circles. A circle again in both eyes and another small circle in both eyes again. Then draw the detail. And then draw the mouth. And now you have an apple. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.